Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EVOK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning. So I'm going to get these lines out of here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $1 is going to be that ideal level of support going forward, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Definitely if the price can stay up above $1. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below $1, that implies everything's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that dollar mark, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into Tuesday? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So the chart is going to get harder to see, but this is always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. So there we are. All right, so these are some lines from previous times I've done a video. So again, as far as next levels of resistance, would be right up there around $1.15. Then if the price can push through $1.15, next key level after that, up there right around $1.25. So definitely some room to run. But at the end of the day, the main thing here is to just keep on doing what it's been doing, and that is build those higher bases. So once again, I realize the chart's hard to see right here, but that's definitely a great problem to have when you have to go back that far in the chart's history. So it just tells us that the price has not been up this high for quite a while. And as long as the price keeps on chipping away with those higher lows, that's what you want to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.